And so I'm getting beat by a baby and a mother. It's uphill, man. It's an uphill life. And I bet the tree's gonna be there for a long time. There's an opportunity to get past them. And took a break for water. And now I'm gonna crush them. Check that out. Check that view, man. This is a ridiculously nice place. This is the tier 2, no, not tier 2, I don't know. It's like a flat area where, you know, I think I'm gonna go further up. I think I'm gonna go further up. And so we are going higher and higher and higher. We just passed that point where people stop. I'm gonna go up further. It's been a while since I've not hiked up this hill, but I think it's good because I'm gonna go for the run on Saturday. Slow hike up a hill, you know, to build your stamina. I don't know the science of it, but basically builds his stamina. When you tackle a run on a flat surface, it's gonna be way easier after you've done these hikes, man. So yeah. Moving further up the hill, man. It's great. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening and it's all cooled down, you know. It's so green. Check that out. It's so freaking green that sometimes, you know, you need to take a break and just go back to nature, man. Go back into the element that you're meant to be in. Man, this thing, man, is amazing, dog. So yeah, check that out. Flip this. Oh. I love that. I don't want to go into the hiking track there because, you know, I'm all alone and there's a simple hike, simple training for the run Saturday. I will see you there.